Alright, so now I'm gonna show this platinum sleep tech mattress topper that I have right now. It's from Amlife, made in Japan. So yeah, it's a very special blanket, right? With platinum and stuff like that. Okay, how to use it. Alright, maintenance. Okay, interesting. Okay, interesting. Alright, so I'm not gonna do a unsealing of this, so I'm gonna unseal this. It feels very soft. Interesting. Okay, I feel that inside actually is different from the outside. Wow. Actually, it's not a blanket. It's a mattress topper. Sorry, I was mistaken. Ooh. Okay. So the inside feels like feels more gentle to the skin. Like feels softer. The outside it feels harder in comparison to the inside. So so it has this pattern that I'm gonna show you. Alright, so this is how the the platinum cover, once it's put on it, this is how it looks like. So actually it fits the deep sleep medical device exactly same size, so it's a nice snug fit and very interesting. Can't wait to actually try this out and sleep on it. Alright, so there you go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. If you'd like to buy this, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. And thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. Jesus loves you and he heals.